Well, I've been given another chainsaw to fix. This one needs a fair bit of work done to it. Needs the trigger mechanism done, the stop switch replaced, the choke lever replaced. Trigger needs something done with it. Quite a bit of movement there before it actually engages. It's still got compression. It needs the handle replaced. Yeah, it's broken. It was just dropped off this morning and I was asked to fix it. What exactly he wants fixed I don't know, but apart from the obvious, still got compression. Now there'll be pooling that I was asked to fix. That seems to be quite okay in the piston department. Another ring needed. The piston seems to be okay. I don't think the owner's very worried about it. She said it's just a cheap saw, so I don't think they are really too worried about it. There, the dolmar, I've fixed the dolmar and that's all running. That seems to actually run quite well. It had a loose muffler, so I've tightened that up. I cleaned the air cleaner out. It had a loose dog here, so fixed all that up, new bolts, etc. Seems to go quite well. My 372, still trying to get to the bottom of that. I haven't really got much more done on it. I've been trying to do my vehicle and do a cambelt on a Mitsubishi V6 engine. So that was my project over the last couple of days. Trying to get this running again.